It's a sound by shaking, tapping, or beating. They can use to accompany songs. Okay? Unsa daw siya? Use daw ang mga percussion instrument to kanang shaking, and tapping. Instruments that are symbols. What instruments used for beating?
Maracas.
Huh?
Maracas.
Oh, maracas. Another.
Simbales.
Huh?
Simbales.
Sa simbal, sumana. Simbais karon. Mga bata pa mag-imo bisan og kanang sarusa. Use for tapping para na ay sound mo approach. Then use for tapping para na ay sound mo approach. Then the next one, the xylophone. Did you see xylophone? Then the next one, the xylophone. Did you see xylophone? Saan ang xylophone? And then the maracas. Did you see maracas? She used for beating. Diba? Diba? Sugod na. Okay, what are examples of mga perks? It's a kind of string instrument that I use for
Trumpets was from Angel. Trumpets.
no naman, no harp. Okay. String. Let's proceed to the string instrument. String. What do you mean by string instrument? Read it, Macken. Read it, Macken.
Another group is the string instruments. Played usually in a
Orchestra.
String instruments produce sound with their strings. Strings are of varying sizes. They may be fine, medium, or thick. They are average according to the sound of pitch. They produce fine strings produce a high pitch, while thick strings produce a lower pitch.
Okay. String instruments produce sound with their strings. Ang sa strings katong mga mura siya og like this one. Mura siya kaning mga inani yung string sa guitar, string sa harp, like this one. Naa siya mga gagmay nga strings. Ah? Yeah. It has. It has. Yeah. There's just strings. Okay. Strings are varied of sizes. They may be fine, medium, or thick, and they are arranged according to the sound or pitch they produce. Fine instruments, or fine strings, produce a high pitch, while thick instruments produce a lower pitch. Okay. What strings produce a high pitch? What string? The fine or the thick? The fine strings produce a high pitch. Ang fine strings daw nag-produce siya og loud nga pitch. High pitch, meaning taas nga. To the higher pitch, taas nga tono. Then, while the thick strings produce a lower pitch. Okay, the number one.